Hi guys, welcome back to mini vlog. Today I am doing a morning jog with a friend. Come along. First of all, we warm up for 5 minutes to avoid getting cramps. After that, we ran around the sub-district for 5 laps. After the run, we get hungry, so we went for some food at the cafe. And finally, we bought grilled rice without thinking twice. We bought it right away. That's all for our vlog. Thank you for watching.